Hello, today we will guide you through how to add another email account to Yahoo Mail. In this walkthrough, we'll connect an additional Yahoo account so you can switch between inboxes without signing out. This is especially handy if you manage separate personal and work mailboxes. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Yahoo Singapore homepage. Any regional Yahoo homepage will work, but we're using the Singapore site here. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the navigation appears. Now look to the top right corner of the page. This is where your account controls live. You should see your profile picture or an initial inside a small circle. Click that to open the account menu. If the menu doesn't open right away, wait a second and try again, or make sure the page has finished loading. In the account menu, select Add or Switch Accounts. This option is designed to let you keep multiple Yahoo sign-ins available at once. After you select it, you'll see a panel listing any accounts currently associated with your browser. Next, choose Add Account. This tells Yahoo you want to sign in with another Yahoo email and keep it available for quick switching later. A sign-in screen will appear. On the sign-in screen, enter the login details for the additional Yahoo account you want to add. Type the email address and then the password for that account. For your security, never share your password and make sure you're on a secure connection before proceeding. If Yahoo prompts you for verification, such as sending a code to your phone or another email, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's really you. These prompts can vary based on your security settings. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken back to Yahoo. From now on, when you click your profile icon at the top right, you'll see both accounts in the Add or Switch Accounts panel. Select the one you want to use, then open Mail to work in that account's inbox. Remember, each inbox is tied to the account you have active, so switch accounts first if you don't see the messages you expect. A few quick tips. Use a trusted device and network, keep your browser up to date, and consider turning on two-step verification for added protection. If you're on a shared computer, use a private browsing window and sign out when you're done. That's it. You've added another email account to Yahoo and can switch between them whenever you need.